So guys, I just made it clear. I'm just going to make it clear. I've been driving out since uh since the last episode about military tycoon, and it's epic. Like it, you do need to reverse to get a helicopter. Three, four reverse to get the Chinook and some reverse to get everything there. Then one reverse to get the fly. Get them flights. I think it was three reverse flights. No, I think it was four reverse flights for him. And then it was seven Spitfire. My favorite Spitfire. It is so cool. And if you have this armor and jump in the water, you're dead. You're dead. And I forgot to tell you, if you go in water, you're going to drown. Good luck surviving that. Well, spawn Pitfire. Pitfire can also shoot, just like the Destroyer. Well, you don't maybe know about it, but this is the best armor that gives you 500 AX. 500, oh god. You know what? I'm just going to use another one. I just used a parachute you just go into somebody much like a bad. That's fun. That's still. I don't think it works all the time, but it's better than nothing. Better than nothing. Actually, kind of cool. There's no one there. There you have it now. Yeah, somebody that does this. Beep, 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 beep. Whee! Minigun time! Minigun time. Are we reloading? Seriously? Seriously? You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Yeah, I'm just gonna use a grenade launcher. Goodbye. Get out of my hair. Get out of the first thing that can fucking. What the what the fuck just happened right there? Oh, I'm not like getting PvP, so yeah. Oh, and I actually reversed it. I just want to show my. I think it was. What is it? This is 1.8 because I got 8 reverse. 8 reverse, yeah. Now, we're gonna get on nice. I don't think it'll actually get anything. No, I don't really think we get anything. To be honest, if we get anything. Come on, come on. Ah, that it is really laggy. So I laggy, but and you see that this was I get my nice rebirth. Oh, I forgot. I have a group name. I'm gonna link it down. My kind of name that I was. It was I didn't think when I get it until I have more Robux, so it will be a thing. So see you guys later. Bye.